Hey guys, so welcome back to the math trap. Today our equation is the exponential equation, which is 10 minus 2 power of 3 multiplied by 2. So we have an exponential equation as well as different priority operator. So 10 minus 2 will comes to 8. So we will put the power of 2, which is 3, as it is on the 8, and then we will multiply by 2, will comes to 512. Now 512 multiplied by 2, which comes to 2 2 of 4, 2 multiplied by 1 by 2, 2 5000 is 10, 1024. So this answer is not true because we did two big mistakes here. First mistake we did here, we ignored the PEMDAS rule, which is saying you have to solve the exponential first and then you will go to the operators. So whenever you see the exponent, which is 2 power of 3, so 10 minus 3 times of 2 which is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, which comes to 8. So 10 minus 8 multiplied by 2. And the second mistake we did here, that we have solved the subtraction first and the multiplication later. But PEMDAS, multiplication comes first and then addition and subtraction. So always we solve the multiplication, which is 8 multiplied by 2 comes to 16. 10 minus 16 comes to minus 6. Our exact answer is minus 6.